Yo, what up, people? Origin based here. Look, it's been a minute. I gotta let y'all know what's been happening, y'all. So first off, this is an update to my motion to vacate with my paycheck being garnished and small claims court update. So let's get to it. First things first. I filed my first small claims court action or order, whatever you want to call it, case, whatever. So I feel real good about that. I feel real good about that. Um, so to break that down a little bit, who I went after, how much I had to pay. So first, I went after a creditor who illegally put an unauthorized inquiry on my credit report. I disputed it. They didn't want to remove it. I had to file with the FTC. I went with the CFPB. Um, then I also sent them a demand letter. But long story short, they didn't want to delete it off my credit report. So maybe 6, 7 months down the line, I finally got them to delete it after disputing with TransUnion and with them. So I'm suing them because it took so long. They ignored my disputes and they didn't do any action or activity until after I filed identity theft with the FTC, after I went through the CFPB, after I went and sent them a demand letter, after I filed with the BBB. So with that being said, that's what time, energy, effort, money, stress. I'm suing them. So that's what I put in for. I put in kind of like a hefty amount just because I want them to settle. I know they're gonna, bring it down significantly probably. But yeah, I put down a hefty amount just to settle with them. Just to settle with them. They should settle. I don't know why they would try to fight it when I have everything. I have the credit report of them deleting it. I have I have my return receipts, the certified mail, my demand letter. I have the adverse action that the company sent me telling me that I'm denied for a credit that I never even applied for. So I actually have that letter from them too. So I'm hoping that they just settle, give me my little paper for my time and effort and for you guys making an inconvenience in my life and let me just keep on going. Let me just keep on going. So that's my first small claims court against the creditor. I'm going to file another small claims court against the bureau that reported this unauthorized inquiry. So I'm going to double up on them. I'm going to double up on them. Double up. I'm going to play some Nipsey after this. But yeah, I'm going to double up on them now one time. So that being said, the other case that I'm still going through is the motion to vacate. My motion to vacate is a little more intricate. It's a little more it's a longer process, more documentation, more paperwork than the small claims court paperwork that I had to fill out. So I like that I'm doing all of this because I had a little experience with family law, unfortunately. I have a little experience with consumer law. Fortunately, I'm going to say fortunately. And now I have some civil law experience that I have under my belt now. So, like I said, that's a longer process for the motion to vacate. What I'm waiting on right now is I'm going to go back up to the courthouse in a few days, and I'm going to actually talk to some paralegal advisors or some attorneys or attorneys to be that's in the help center. So I'm going to go through the self help, um, not necessarily for my evidence and my proof and the way I'm articulating my case. It's more of the formatting. More of the formatting. I spoke with the judge already. I spoke with the clerk at the courthouse, and my formatting is slightly off, and they're not going to help me with it. I can only visually see what's wrong with it, but I do not know how to create these type of legal documented formatting. So I'm gonna get a little bit of help by it or for it. Um, I'm not hiring an attorney. I'm not spending 5,000, 8,000. I'm not doing that. I'd rather invest in myself and do it myself. DIY, prime example right here. I want everybody to get on it. We all got the same mind. Let me scratch that. Not the same mind, but we all have a mind that we can start utilizing a little better. A lot of us waste the potential that our mind has. Facts, straight up. I know I used to be one of them. I know there's plenty of other people that could be doing a lot more in life than the decisions that we make in every single day. I know it. All these distractions. But that's a whole different video, whole nother topic for a whole different time. So back to the motion to vacate. That's where I'm at with it. My fee waiver is still in effect. And this week, I'm looking to go through with it. I'm looking to actually file it and have an actual real court date that's not going to be reneged, that's not going to be canceled, anything like that. So that's what I got right now. Oh yeah, my small claims court date is in February. It's in February. So I'm still documenting everything. I'm gonna let y'all know how it go. If anything happens before then, if I get a phone call to settle or a letter to settle beforehand, I'm letting y'all know. I wasn't playing when I said I'm bringing y'all every step of my journey. FCRA lawsuit on a road to 1 million, y'all. I'm trying to get this million. I'm gonna get this bag. So, hey, like, subscribe. If y'all need more of this kind of content on y'all timeline, hey, I'm right here, y'all. All right. I want everybody to be financially free. It's our birthright. Nobody could take it away from us but us. Peace.